guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kimmy, and in today's video I'm sharing a Christmas layout and showing how I got 5 photos on one page. Alright, so this sheet here measures 9 inches by 12 inches, and I'm just laying down as close to the center as I can. Now the green cardstock that I'm using there, it measures 1/4 of an inch by 12 inches. Okay, and then the next strip that I'm using here is measures 3/4 of an inch by 12. Now I added a little bit of the red because I felt like it complemented the black. And of course I have to add some sparkle. So here I'm using shimmer trim. Now it's just like a big roll of tape really. It just is already adhesive itself. And they measure 1/4 of an inch. The photos that I'm doing here, the photo mats measure 4 inches by 6 inches. However, I had to trim down some photos, which didn't really make much difference. I only trimmed them down by 1/4 of an inch. So it made the photos 3/4 of an inch by 5 and 3/4 of an inch. Okay, these photos here that I'm adding now are 3 by 4 inch photos. So that's how I managed to get the 5 photos on this page. Here I'm just looking at the sticker sheet, see what kind of title I can put on there. And I did Happy Holidays. Now it's a very small title, but that's okay because I've got the 5 photos on there. I didn't need a really big title. I also managed to add a journaling box. Now at the top here, I'm just adding a few different bits of embellishments, some of them from the sticker sheet. Here I'm using a shimmer brush just to add a bit of glitter on some parts of those stickers. Alright, and that's pretty much my layout done. I've just got to add my photos in. I hope that you enjoyed watching it. Alright, so don't forget to add a little bit of sparkle to your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.